no turbos, but I give a cold start. What's up, YouTube? Smoke Flare 24 checking in with y'all. Got a video for y'all today, and it's basically going to be about the rebuild and basically how my car got totaled back in September. There was a lot of emotions involved with this video. The whole incident, it was just a really crazy accident. I was driving, I had a guy run a stop sign, basically hit my car dead on, and he totaled it. Insurance basically ruled it out as about $11,000 worth of damage. And yeah, it was a pretty bad day for your boy, y'all. So we're gonna get straight into the video. I ain't gonna talk y'all through this one because it's basically enough talking throughout the video. But here it is, y'all, without further ado. Bullshit, man. Goddamn, man. What the fuck? Tore my whole fucking front end off. Get these plates. Get these plates. What does that say? What does that say? Seven three zero TM handicap plates. 730 YTM. 730 Y. Bro, why the fuck you run, bro?
Because I ain't got shit, man. I'm hit.
Man,
So
you
I'm
about to be fucked up, man. Come on, bro. Why the fuck, man?
I know.
You done ran into my shit. I told you to pull that shit over. You gonna try to take off. What the fuck, man? What kind of shit is that, bro?
So if I were you, I'd shut the motor off because you don't want the pistons to seize up.
Damn.
On the upside, you can probably drive it to wherever you want, so you don't have to get it towed.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, you're leaking, and I mean, it might be oil from some.
He ain't got shit, bro. Do you even got a license? You got a license at least? That it don't even matter whether you got that shit or not. It don't even fucking matter. I just had to chase this man from the soda bag.
Mass?
I told him to pull over. We gonna get all this shit situated.
You can't waste.
Man, this man flew past y'all. Bro. Highway and all that. Oh shit. She going to jail too. She going to jail too. Both of y'all going to jail. Fucking dumbasses. Man, this shit sad, bro. I ain't even get to get his plates. He threw it in reverse and tried to smash off on me. He said the plates come back to a 08. That's a 04.
3 in the morning, I need me some pussy, I need me a sad, you know. If I say that I got it, my nigga, I got it for sure. You had it, you lost, I'm sorry, my nigga, you know I go. I'ma give me some money, then trust and believe I'ma give me some more. I'm a hustler, you can't relate to the fakes, you ain't been there before, my nigga. If I say that I got you, my nigga, I got you for good. I promise, I'm gon' get us out of the hood. We gon' make a few billion, fuck anybody out there knocking on wood. She sucking the wood, I told her she would, I'm whipping the wood. Hey, I got it, ain't got it for good. Hey, I got it, ain't got it for good.
A little tear down action.
Hey,
See the charger in the cut. I'm walking. Charger in the cut.
yeah.
I gotta pull this radiator AC condenser out. I gotta disconnect the fan from it and take the fan off of everything, and then the radiator and AC condenser out right now. I'm about to put the upper tie bar back on and then put the new radiator AC condenser back on. New upper tie bar. Alright, slice it open. We gotta go ahead and get this out the box and get it ready to go on the car. It shouldn't take long, but I ain't even gonna put y'all through that. I'm just gonna put it on there and then I'll be right back in.
I'm hoping, I'm praying, I'm wishing, I wish I could give you this feeling for sure. If I say that I got it, my nigga, I got it to blow. Them 20s, the 50s, the 100s, my nigga, you know how I go. I'm stacking and blowing, and trust and believe I'ma stack with some more.
Ready, man. Just test fitting the bumper on there for now. I still gotta get some brackets, but just test fitting, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. About ready. Just about. I gotta get a headlight.
Like the sound of my voice, baby. Yeah, true that. For sure. I'm back and I'm good. Took a vacay, I'm straight. It's your boy. Nigga, I don't need nothing but health. You wanna do something for me, pray for my health, nigga. You heard? Straight up, my gusto boasts harder than most. Like the fly model vagina over the coast, just to paint a boot.
Side markers and my front lower grille. Other than that, this is where we're at with it. Got everything done in just under 2 months. I believe I got it back from the paint shop November the 16th, and the accident was September 18th. So just under a 2-month turnaround, basically 2 months. I added the tire letters, and I added the wicker bill by PS Design. And yeah, that's where we at. I couldn't be more satisfied. I kind of dig the car more without the RT stripes that was right here on the fender and on the hood. But I am eventually going to slap some 345 decals back on there. And I don't know where else we're going to take it from here. But this is the finished product so far. And hope y'all liked the video. We got more videos coming soon, so y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and run them comments up. Run the comments up for me, y'all. Let me know you popped on the video. And we gonna run it like that. Flare 24. I'm checking out, y'all.
Mr. Made 100K and took himself on tour.